fuck everybody who thinks that he can diss you. Even if the person's deep part of your crew, don't let him think that he can never step in your shoes, or even let him do things better than you. You gotta put solid effort in life. You gotta make sure you fucking strike. You gotta make a lot of money to buy food to feed your kids and wife, and enjoy every single moment of the daily life. Yeah, that's right, you gotta fucking work. Prove to everybody what you're really worth. Clarify your dreams and take out the blur. Aim high and rule the world. Put it in your palm and prove to them who's king of earth. Make them bow down and serve. You show them who's boss. Wander around and walk like the Wizard of Oz. Philippine rap and hip hop, I am the biggest bad boss. But the king of the world is my life's main cause. What you gonna do when work is getting heavy? Would you stop or would you be rolling steady? It's getting heavy, but you know that I'm always ready to take on the mic and to tell you my story. This is me, and I'm the best when I do me. This is my style and not just from another MC. Don't try to copy me, there's no way that you can do me, cause I'm the king and this is why this is my industry.
We just spittin' the life that we love and we livin'. We just spittin' the life that we love and we livin'. We just spittin' the life that we love and we livin'. We just spittin'. When we just spittin' the life that we love and we livin'. We just spittin' the life that we love and we livin'. We just spittin' the life that we love and we livin'. We just spittin'. We just spittin'.
Hindi mo maaawat, kayo ay mamumulat sa aking mga sulat na sadyang nakakagulat. Ako ang dadaan at walang pwedeng humarang. Lahat kayo sabay-sabay ibabaong ko lang, kaya matuto kang gumalang sa aking batas. Kahit saan pumunta kasi si Mike Juan ang tigas. Ika'y makakalas, kayo'y mababaklas. Subukan nyo pang lumaban at kayo'y magwawakas. Sa letra kong pulido, ito'y dire-diretso. Hindi mo maaawat at walang halong barbero. Kasama ko ang grupo, pag bumanat ay solido. Akin ang pinino at hindi tayo pareho. Ako ay hinyonero, pag bumana sigurado. Ika'y saking barado, kaya sa banat mo ika'y manigurado. Ako ay asintado at mga linya pulido. Kung pagalingan lang sa rhymes, hindi ka mananalo.
Spittin', and we are spittin'. Spittin' the life that we love and we livin'. We are spittin'. Spittin' the life that we love and we livin'. We are spittin'. Spittin' the life we love and we livin'. We are spittin'. Spittin' the life that we love and we livin'. We are spittin'. Spittin' the life that we love and we livin'. We are spittin'. Spittin' the life that we love and we livin'. We are spittin'. Spittin' the life that we love and we livin'.
Well, I don't know what I'm lyrically insane. I spit, I feel the pain. I think this is my only outlet in the slide, so this be my game. And I ain't stopping what I do. I'm reppin' red or blue. I'm reppin' me and just me. I know that I'm better than my crew, cause you know what I'm gonna do. Mike Juan and Johnny boys gon' attack on you and get your girlfriends too. Fuck it, but life is not about playing games. I have to take it seriously, so I'm going a different way. Where there is money every day to make a shit to break. Getting love and not hate, just surviving through fate. And I hope God was never late, and I'm always there. Always rushing to the church so I can hit on the higher grounds. And we just spittin' the life that we love and we livin'. And as long as we spittin', it's the life that we will love and we livin'. Cause this is how we do.